How to fix on the stop Google Chrome from redirecting you to another website. First of all, we have 3 steps. The first step is to click on the 3 dots from here and tap on settings and tap on the search engine, and you need to make sure you selecting Google from here. This is the first step. And the second step to make sure to tap on extensions from here, tap on it, and you need to make sure you have safe and trusted extensions. From here you need to make sure you don't have any alert or warning about any extension, because there is a virus in some extensions, and if you have, you need to read this carefully from here, and if it is safe, leave it, and if appear on it there is alert or warning, you need to remove it from here. This is the second step. And the third step, which is the best step, to click on reset settings from here and tap on it, restore settings to their original defaults. And from here, before you clicking on reset settings, you need to read this carefully, which is reset some Chrome settings and Chrome shortcuts, disable extensions, delete cookies and other temporary site data, bookmarks, history and saved password won't be affected. And after you complete this and checkmark this from here, tap on reset settings, and after you complete this, if I search on anything, you won't, Google Chrome won't direct you to anything. As you see, will still stable like this. I was having this problem before. This was driving me crazy, to be honest with you, and I finally find solution for it, which is this is the solution I just give you. And basically that's it. Please leave a like on the video, and if this video helped you out, subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.